link into the other unboxing of my Nikon D5300. So yes, so I have my setup here, and I told you in like a quick update, you know, I've moved, so I just have like my son's room where I'm using right now just for like videos and stuff like that. So I am going to show you my setup, just a basic setup basically, and I use whatever I have around my house. So for my videos, and this room is also my workout room, so you'll also see a video with that. So yeah, so this is about my Nikon. So anyway, I'm just gonna flip the camera around. Okay, so never mind that my treadmill is over there. So I have my Nikon here and a tripod. I have this tripod for a long while. Sorry about that. I have my light in my LED light that's there. As I said, you know, you gotta make use of the things that you have already in your house. So my Nikon is here. Oh, it's a flip out model. The screen flip out. So I did put a screen protector on it because eventually there's gonna be scratches and stuff like that, and this girl don't like to see scratch on our phone or, you know, any device that involves screen wise. So yeah, let me take you through. You can see right here, if I did say all of these in the review, but just in case my file gonna end up getting messed up, I'm just gonna quickly go over it. So I have my on and off button. This button is for the recording when you're recording videos, and zoom in, zoom out info, and these are selections, all of the selections. So what you would like to use, the scene is what I'll be using later on from now to make a video, and also has built-in Wi-Fi, which again you connect it to your phone to kind of I think see what your recording is and stuff like that. I didn't really use that yet, and it's on the side. It also have if you can see here, I keep gonna say if you see here, if it, either you want to put it on autofocus or manual focus. Right now I'm going to have it on manual focus, because if I put it on autofocus, it's going to make like a noise when it's continuously focusing on you. So that's that. Also got a strap with it as well, and let me just flip in the screen. I probably forgot to adjust all of this when I'm done, but yeah, the screen flips out. I'm trying to get behind here because yeah, that's just my setup over there. Basic and simple. I don't want to be like outrageous or anything like that. I just want something simple to get the videos them out, right? So yeah, the screen, it rotates. I think it's 360. So when I'm not using it, I just flip it back in. Yeah, and also have your options in here, like you go back to videos or pictures, whichever one display you want to see, and delete button, and I don't remember. Oh, I think I zoom in and zoom out for when you're seeing the displays and stuff like that. I also have oh, you call this part where you look through? Don't even remember. I have a menu for your selection and stuff like that. Let me see if we can turn it on, because you know we can't really record without turning it on. Alright, so it starts up. So it starts up right now, and I have the selection on scene because I'm gonna make a video later. So what I want to do, because I want to display on here, which I'm going to turn the screen that way so I can see it, I'm just going to pull this lever up here down, so it's going to switch. So you see it switch there. So yeah, that's what I'm using, and hopefully, I think this one I have is 4K, or maybe it's not 4K, but for sure I know it's 1080p, HD 1080p for sure. So yeah, that's, hold on, let me switch. So yeah, so that's just my little review on my Nikon D5300, and I'll also include a clip in it below when I do record. I'll probably you know what, I'll probably record one right now, like a clip of it, to show you the comparison with me using my phone, which is an iPhone 6 Plus, and the Nikon. So it's already on all of those things right here. So it's recording right now, and basically, if you can see there, it's recording me. It's recording me, recording you, and putting it up on YouTube. Yes. So yeah, that's my Nikon right there. I got it from my hubby for my birthday, which I'm loving. My birthday is further down in the year, but I'm still loving it. Right, because sometimes I complain that I have to use my phone and my phone get the memory get full. But now I got an upgraded phone. I got the memory upgraded on my phone, so on the go I'll be using my phone as well. So yeah, so that's my Nikon, and it I think it only records probably like 20 minutes at a time, depending on depending on how high you want the contrast of the video to be. If you want it to be lower, like because I think it's actually running at 60 frames right now, so if you want it to be lower, probably like 20 frames or something, you'll be able to record more, but the quality won't be as good. So if you understand what I'm saying. So yeah, that's just my short video on my Nikon. And then also, just in case I don't include the old open box review, you know, an opening box review, I'll make sure that I post this up. Yeah, so see America, I'm saying. Yeah, so as I said, as I always say, Shana the Yardy Girl, I'm out until you see me again. So later.
Okay, so it's recording right now, and basically, if you can see there, it's recording me. It's recording me, recording you, and putting it up like this. So yeah, that's my Nikon right there. I got it from my hubby for my birthday, which I'm loving. My birthday is further down in the year, but I'm still loving it. Right, because sometimes I complain that I have to use my phone, and my phone get the memory get full. But now I got an upgraded phone. I got the memory upgraded on my phone, so on the go I'll be using my phone as well. So yeah, so that's my Nikon. And it, I think it only records for like 20 minutes at a time, depending on depending on how you want the contrast of the video to be. If you want it to be lower, like because I think it's actually running at 60 frames right now. So if you want it to be lower for like 20 frames or something, you'll be able to record more, but the quality won't be as good. So if you understand what I'm saying. So yeah, that's just my short video on my Nikon. And then also, just in case I don't include the old open box review, you know, an opening box review, I'll make sure that I post this up. Yeah. So yeah, so as I said, as I always say, Shana the Yardy Girl, I'm out until you see me again. So, later. What do we try this out? I have no idea. Maybe get a new Manchester or something, because that was an hour ago. No, that was an hour ago. But anyway, Shana the Yardy Girl, out until you see me again. Thank you, later.